Hey everybody, I'm Chris Janson, and this is Home. Here we are in the den of our house. I say our house, obviously, because I share this with my wife, Kelly, and our 4 kids.
So basically for our family, we did neutral floors. When we bought this house, I wanted something open where the kids could play, where we could all like relax and enjoy ourselves. They wrestle constantly. And so this is perfect. Big sectional and lots of big pillows, lots of throws. I just want it to be comfortable and be at home and where we can actually live in it. And this is definitely the living room.
The great thing about this room is it was never like this. It didn't look this good ever. When we first bought this house and moved in, the ceilings were weird looking, just weird stuff in this room. Now it's white and cream and looks really fancy and not dudeish, but I'm a dude and I like to hang in here. So anytime you want to find me at the house, if I'm not outside building a fire, which is 99% of where I'm at, I'm here. I'm sitting right here watching that TV, looking out the window. So welcome to our den. You're the first people that have ever got a chance to see it. Well, that was it for the day. Thank y'all for visiting. We'll see you out on the road.
Salty or sweet?
Salty.
Acoustic or electric?
Acoustic.
City or countryside?
Countryside.
Night in or night out?
Night in.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Shoes or boots?
Boots.
Waffles or pancakes?
Pancakes.